In this video, we will learn about titration process. It is the process in which solution of known concentration is used to determine the concentration of unknown solution, volumetrically. For example, we have two solutions of HCl and NaOH. Let's suppose the volume of HCl is 10 cubic centimeter, and its molarity is 0.1 molar. And the volume of NaOH is 50 cubic centimeter, and its molarity is to be determined. As the concentration of HCl is known, the solution whose concentration is known as standard or titrant. And the concentration of NaOH is unknown. The solution whose concentration is to be determined is known as analyte or titrand. Two of these solutions, one is acid and the other one is base. So this type of titration is called acid-base titration.